today we are playing Escape Story. Okay. So, hey, let's get out of here. Everyone else left, and the teacher's sleeping. Let's go. There's only one good student, and the teacher isn't really sleeping. He's actually in the bin, but okay. 1 + 1 is 2, actually. Okay. Well, then we hear the door open. Shh, the teachers are talking. Go through the I know that my camera cut out, but I was gonna fail really bad. So this is basically what happened. I was here, I was coming out, and then I went into the water, and I was just like, yeah. We're in the janitor's room. Let's get out of here before he comes back. I'm gonna suck at this. Right, okay, no, I'm not. Yes, I am, Lily, you off. I will suck at this. I think I played this before, so I didn't even touch that, but okay. Jump on his head and then I'm so good at that, aren't I? I can't do it. I'll be back when I get onto the top. I'm not gonna be back when I get onto the top. I'm gonna take you with me. I swear I touched that, but sure, if you say it, don't, I won't. Flipping there, okay. Can't bother to do that. Yeah, who would? So not me. Okay, looks like he just mopped the floor. How tragic. I've definitely played this before. I remember which locker it is. I've definitely played this before. I remember which locker it is. That's how I remember I played it before. I know which locker it is. So, it's not anything. So it's this one right here, guys, if you wanted to know. Why is it so small? No, get out of my face. How long is this? God, it takes forever, doesn't it? I'm already on level 4. It's like 15 levels, 16 actually. I remember how many levels there are. I suck at these. You know how bad I suck at these. Ooh, it gets bigger, and then it just has to get bigger, doesn't it? Smaller even. What? I limit you actual. Are you flipping actual? Are you flipping actual? No! No! I'll be back when I get to my thing. Back to the place I was. It might have seemed 1 second to you. Oh, but no, it took about 5 minutes. It took about 10 minutes for me. The thing is, I don't even touch these things. I like this, the green bit. I was pointing to it then. You wouldn't be able to see if I was pointing to it, but green is what the flip just happened? I don't like when it goes out shot. I didn't even touch it. Sorry, I get really annoyed at these parts because I don't even touch it. Move out my way, you stupid idiot. Okay, you noob. Yeah, move. Yeah, move. The thing is, I can't say that she's a noob because this is actually not my account, but it's actually my best friend's account. But I literally made her wear this. She doesn't have any more outfits except from this one because I made this outfit for her when I told her to get Roblox. But this is really hard because I don't know how fatty cat. I'm the cat. Sorry, but fatty Cassie. Did you just see that? I didn't touch that at all. I'm gonna see if I can actually finish this obstacle course in 10 minutes. I'm dead. Ooh. If I die right now, yes, go! Get Slaybait. I suck at these things as well. Can you move out of my way, you stupid flipping noob? Sorry if you're watching my videos and you're these people, but you're noob. No offense to anyone. No offense, I'm really rude. Don't worry, I'm not a bully. Yeah, I'm not a bully. My friend is though, my best friend, my old school. She's a bully. People know who she is. She took my boyfriend off me. I have a new one now. Better than that old one. With pin. I think it's this one. I don't know. Let's use the camera trick. No, it's not. I think it's... Well, someone's showing me it's this one. Yes, it is. You idiot! How dare you! How dare you disrespect me, you ugly cow! Come on, it's not. It's just nice one, isn't it? Oh, here's this one. That ugly fatty Cassie. You're fat. No offense to anyone that is actually fat. Hello, darkness, my old friend. No offense to anyone that actually is fat though. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Like, I only mean it to her because she's rude and pushed me off. Ugly cow. Look at me when I'm so beautiful. Oh, look at her. I just suck at obbies. I actually am really good at roleplays. I always have friends. No, do watch them because they're actually really good. Looks like someone flooded the bathrooms. How sad. Maybe they should clean it up. Maybe I don't have to clean it up because I'm not. It looks like I flooded the bathrooms. Like that would be me. That would actually be me in high school, flooding the bathrooms because you wanted the school to be over. Okay, I'm nearly finished. Can you not touch these? They're really sharp, so I'm guessing you don't. You can't. Woohoo! Basketball, I hate PE. I love PE in Royal High School though, but I hate PE in real life. I do have to jump on that one. Right, okay. You have to jump on it. I'm really sad now. I'll go this way, because there's one here. Oh, okay. I hate rubbers. You're not even allowed to use them in maths. Unless your margin, which is a straight line, you have in your English book. Well, this is English, by the way, England, this is what we do. So we use this margin. It's called a margin. It's a straight line. Why is there a flipping out of the book? I thought it was like a... It's looking at me! Bruh! Leave me alone! Person! I don't want to die there. Oh, I suck at this part, right. Wow, you're getting tired. Wake up. Well, I don't want to wake up. Tell me what to do. I just knew I was gonna die from that second. 5 more minutes to finish this obstacle course. This is literally right at the end though, so. I'm literally setting a timer on my phone. Yeah, move away, you fat cow. Sorry, guys. I'm so mean. I'm not even a bully at school. Well, the only bully I'm towards is my old best friend. She's a bullying idiot. No! Right, I'm gonna finish this obstacle course without you in my way, you stupid cow. So I like calling people cows and rats and snakes. So you're gonna have to get used to that language. Sorry that my language is so bad and I don't go to school. That's the things I do, but you know. I hate school. I totally love school. I love doing my homework. I only like doing my maths homework, and I've got homework to do. How tragic! And I haven't done it. I got 2 pieces of homework to do. Now I'm really sad. 2 pieces of homework to do. I forgot about my homework. Yeah, I'm on the Christmas half term right now, so it's like 2 weeks. It doesn't even seem like a flipping. Right, so I won't press that. Well, it looks like you have to walk home. That's tragic. So, how was your Christmas, guys? I want you to comment down below. I think I haven't friends. Actually don't comment down below, just leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to comment below, you don't have to comment. What's your favourite subject in school? Mine is maths. I love maths. I'm in the highest maths set as well. Well, yeah. I'm pretty sure I am. Okay, hurry up. We need to get home and sleep in my bed. Well, things I am already in my bed. After I finish this video, I have to tidy my room. But you know, I can't wait to do that. Because I'm already in my bed. My unicorn bed. I love unicorns. You're gonna have to get used to that as well. Like, look at what my shirt says. Unicorn. Oh, I'm very far away from the school. I like my makeup. I like the red one better though. Well, hi guys, I did actually realise that my camera turned off because of my storage, so I'm already here. So yeah, sorry about that. Let's see if these things work. They like make the noise. It's reloading. It doesn't work. Fire path work. Works. Well, it works. So yeah, this is all for this video.